Hello everyone, today I will show you how to see your every comments on TikTok. I found this method myself and it is totally safe. If you want, you can watch the video once and be sure before trying it. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. First we go to TikTok. Then click on me at the bottom right. Here we click on the three lines at the top right. We click on Settings and Privacy. Then we click on Privacy. Lastly, we click on Download your data. A page like this opens as you can see here. Here it asks if we want to download our data in JSON format or TXT format. We choose the TXT format and press the Request Data. Now it's left to wait for TikTok to give our data. This process can take up to 4 days. It took 2 days for my data to arrive. I will not wait as I have done this before. But you may have to wait. Remember, we have to check our data, because our data goes after a certain period of time after it arrives. If so, you will have to do the same thing again and wait. Yes, you checked your data every day and you saw that it came. Now we start the second part. Just like we did in the first part, we come to our account first. Then we click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Privacy. Finally, we click on the Download your data. This time, on the page that opens, we click on the part that says Download data. We have data as you can see here. Here we press the download. It redirects us to another page. Here you need to log in to your account for security. If, like me, you have logged into your account with another social media such as Facebook, you may need to enter your TikTok password. After entering my password, I click on Continue. Yes, our data has started to download. As you can see, the download is complete. Now we need to extract the files of the .zip file that we have downloaded. For this, we go into the file manager of our phone. Depending on the phone brand you use, your file manager application may vary, but there will be no problems. After entering the file manager, wait 5 to 10 seconds, the application will refresh. After refreshing, we see the file that we have downloaded here. We click on this file and press Extract. Here, it will ask us where we want to extract the file. Here, we press Extract without selecting a place. After the extraction is complete, we can see the folder where our data is when we scroll the page towards the letter T. But if you don't have it directly, come to the File Manager main menu and click on the folder icon. And scroll all the way to the letter T. After we find the folder that we extracted the files from, we click on the folder. There are other subfolders here. Click on the Comments folder. Then we click on the comment.txt file. Here it will ask which application we want to open the file with. You can choose Chrome. I open it with the Docs application so that it looks more clear. And yes, as you can see, all the comments we have posted on TikTok are here. With date and time. Sorry for blurring some parts here. In the same way, you can see the first comment you posted on TikTok by scrolling down. And when we scroll down to the bottom, we see our first comment. My first comment was, hee. What is your first comment? You can write in the comments section. In the data we have downloaded, we can also see who and what we are talking to in DM. For this, we come to the Folders section and this time click on the Direct Messages folder. And here we click on the file. As in the comments, we choose the application to open the file. And as in the comments, we can see what we have written with the date and time. We have come to the end of our video. I hope this video worked for you. If the video helped for you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel. Take care and see you in the next video.